Hello guys, today I want to show you the next step of Meshtastic or Meshcore devices. I really like small stuff, especially when it comes to gadgets. The smaller the better. And this time I have a real treat for you. It's this little guy. I don't yet have a name for it, but as you can see, this thing is freaking tiny. And would you believe me if I tell you that it has the same features like the Copy Wolf I showed you last time? The only thing it does not have is GPS, because I did not find room for the GPS antenna, but that's pretty much it. Everything else, this thing has the same features as the Copy Wolf. I'm gonna put that aside for a while to show you. Of course, because of the very small size, the battery size is also limited. Right now there's only a 220 milliamp battery in here, which probably will last one day. I cannot say for sure, I haven't tested it. This is like brand new. It is a prototype still, but as you can see, we have a 0.96 inch OLED screen. It's running the newest Meshtastic firmware 2.7.13, and on the lower left side we have the button, the program button. On here is the reset button in a recess, so it is not accidentally pressed. You have to use like a pin to press that one. In here we have NRF52, of course, and the LoRa Heltec RA62 LoRa chipset. We also have navigation switch and notification LED on top. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So as you can see, I can change pages, enter the menu, I can send messages, message received. We can also use the new feature from Meshtastic, using the free text. So we can also write messages like, let's write OK. Where's the K? There it is. Delivered again. And we also have a rumble motor in here, so if I send a message from another device, yeah, it even moves because the size is so small. The rumble motor makes it actually move around. And if you didn't see it, we also have a notification LED, so let's send another message. It also has that. Yeah, it is so small. It is almost comedic. It's like, it's so fun. It's so fun. And yeah, and this would of course be not possible with ESP32, because 220 milliamps would be like dead in like, I don't know, half an hour probably. But with the NRF platform, and it also uses pretty much the same components used in the faketec, but the board in here is a different one. And a member on the Discord showed me a Chinese link from a Chinese member of the Meshtastic community that offered this little board here, which powers this little device. As you can see, it's pretty similar to the faketec, but instead of like placing the LoRa chip above the Pro Micro NRF chipset, it sandwiches it on the back side. And right now it has a spot for a speaker, a buzzer, and it can also power GPS, which is not in here because of size restrictions. So I use the GPS MOSFET for the vibromotor. Anyways, I'm working on that PCB design to change it to have the vibromotor and the buzzer and a third MOSFET in here, so you can even use that one for a slightly bigger node, fully fledged with GPS module switched on by the MOSFET, a buzzer, and also the vibromotor, and also an LED we can already use because the LED doesn't use that much power, but it's gonna be slightly different to make some space up here for the buzzer and the vibromotor, and the location for the third MOSFET and pull down resistor will be down here. I will release it kinda soonish. It's gonna take a while, but yeah, this is something you can look forward to. I know, because battery size is really tiny. It's 220. Maybe I can like fit a bigger one in here. I will see if I have to expand the back, if I can save some more space for this. I also used some Gundam water transfer stickers on here because I think this is so cool. It's just random stuff, but it just fits. I think it adds a little bit of style to the node. And yeah, this is like tiny, right? I mean the Copy Wolf is not that big, right? It's quite handy, but if you compare it to this, it's like, it's so fun. Yeah, I will keep you updated about the process when the PCB is done, and I will order from GLC PCB and build to verify that it's working, and then I will release everything so you can also build that tiny node, and others I have planned to release soon using the same PCB for smaller but fully fledged nodes, including GPS, that will only be slightly bigger really, because the GPS models are really not that big. And I mean, that's the U-Blox M10S. It's super tiny as well. It won't add too much, and with the small GPS antennas also available. Yeah, this is gonna be a lot of fun. So stay tuned, and I will update you on the process as soon as I got some. So thanks for watching. Have a nice one. Bye bye.